Hello, third grade, and welcome to problem solving for today. For today, I recommend that you do your work on Classkick because it will be easier to zoom in. As I'm going through, please follow along. If you need to pause and split your screen, you may do that now. Let's go ahead and begin. Mrs. Markham's desk is shaped like the picture below. The length of each side is shown in feet. Find the area of Mrs. Markham's desk. Solve this problem any way you choose. So let's scroll down. And our helper tells us to look. You can look for relationships. Think about how you can break the problem into simpler parts. Show your work in the space below. So I am going to zoom in some more. I suggest you zoom in about this much as well. And it looks like we have an L-shaped desk, and it gives us the length of each side. So this side right here is 7 feet. This is 3. This is 4, 3, 3, 6. Now our equation, length times width equals area, only works for rectangles or squares. So I need to change this shape so I have rectangles and squares. So I can see a couple of ways to do that. I can extend this line, and then I would have a square right here and a rectangle right here. Then I could add those together. Another way I could solve, I'll erase in some of my lines, and you don't have to write any of this yet, is by making a rectangle right here and a rectangle right here, and then adding both of those. Now we are going to use the first one because solving for a square seems easier to me. You could do either way though. So first I'll call these different letters. So I'll call this one B, and I'll call this shape C. So first let's solve for B. I need to find the length and the width. I can see that the length is 3 feet. Times the width, which is 7 feet. And then that would give me the area. You will have to find the area on your own. All I am doing is setting up the problem for you. So this is for B. Now let's solve for shape C. I have my length and my width. They are both the same because it is a square. 3 feet times 3 feet. And then that would give me the area. Now to find the total area, I would have to add the area of B and the area of C. And then that would give me my total area. And that would be our answer. That would be how much area her desk had. So solve for these two areas. Add them together to get the full area. Make sure that you have squared feet at the end. And then you'll be done with your problem solving for today.